Welcome back to HealthxTips, guys, or if you're new to the channel, then we're happy to meet you. Baking soda is most often used unsurprisingly in baking because of its dough-rising capabilities. But did you know that baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, actually has various other surprising benefits? And more than just a few. Way more than you might think. Today, we're going to narrow it down and talk about 8 surprising benefits of baking soda you must know. Before we get into it, remember to hit the subscribe button below if you don't want to miss out more informative health tips videos. If you like this video, do give it a like too. Now, let's explore more about the benefits of baking soda together. Number 1. Helps in dental hygiene. You may find this one less surprising than some of the later entries on the list if you've ever noticed the baking soda toothpaste in your local pharmacy. It may have looked a little strange on the shelf, but there's a good reason that baking soda is starting to make appearances in dental hygiene. The mildly acidic properties of baking soda make it great at breaking down stains, without being overly abrasive on your enamel. So, the next time your teeth are looking a little yellow, maybe you should try looking for a toothpaste that includes this unassuming powder. The stuff really works. Number 2. Aids in mouthwash. Since this goes hand in hand with the previous entry, we may as well bring it up now. Mouthwash is able to hit the corners of your mouth that a brush may have difficulty with and is a useful tool in dental hygiene. In fact, there are people who actually use baking soda as a replacement of mouthwash. Some studies have shown that the use of baking soda helps freshen the breath and even provides antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that could help stop the infections before they start. Simply just add half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water and swish as usual. There will be no harmful effects if you accidentally swallow some of it, and you won't have to pay for expensive mouthwash brands ever again. Number 3. Relieves itchy or damaged skin. Baking soda baths are a known and often recommended treatment for sunburn or other minor itches that you may be experiencing, like bee stings or various bug bites. You only need to add a few cups of baking soda to a tub of lukewarm water. Just be careful not to get it into your eyes. It especially shines in the summer when it can soothe your mosquito bites for you. And don't feel like you have to drench yourself in the stuff to get results. If you have a localized itch somewhere, try making a paste out of baking soda and water, then apply it directly to the skin. This can alleviate your symptoms and allow you the comfort you need to go about your day as usual. Number 4. Treats heartburn. While you should always see a physician about heart-related issues, it's nice to have a quick fix on hand if you're pretty sure it's just a touch of post-dinner heartburn. Heartburn, or more accurately, acid reflux, is caused when the natural acids in your digestive system go a little higher than they're supposed to. Common causes include too much greasy food, overeating, or even stress. You would think adding acid to acid would be a bad move, but baking soda can actually help to neutralize rising stomach acid if you just add a teaspoon of it to some cold water. Take note though that this trick should not be used regularly. Baking soda is very high in sodium, and too much of it in your system could lead to more serious heart problems down the line. We're saying that you can use it this way, but we're not necessarily saying that you should go crazy with it. Do always consult your medical doctor for professional advice and treatment. Number 5. Boosts exercise performance. Baking soda, oddly enough, is a popular supplement among athletes. Fatigue is caused by a buildup of lactic acid as it lowers the pH of your cells. The high pH of baking soda is able to delay the effect significantly. Some studies have even asserted that it's likely to lead to less gastrointestinal discomfort after a workout. The main use is in keeping up your peak performance. So if you are going to be doing a high-intensity workout, then it might be worth taking 300 mg of baking soda per liter of water in the 2 hours before your routine. Keep in mind though that these benefits only apply if you're going to really work your muscles. If you're just going for a leisurely jog in the park, skip this one and have a quick glass of milk instead. Number 6. Great multipurpose bathroom cleaner. While not all health solutions have to involve ingesting a chemical, Sometimes the best way to improve your health is to get around to cleaning your bathroom surfaces and getting all those unwanted germs away from your family. While baking soda is indeed less effective than commercial cleaners, it's also a natural, cost-effective cleaning solution. A little baking soda paste made with warm water can be surprisingly good for whitening and disinfecting. Rub the solution thoroughly into any hard surface you want to clean, then let it sit for about 20 minutes. When you come back with a damp cloth, you'll be surprised that the baking soda has done much of the work for you. Number 7. Helps clean fruits and vegetables. Here's a novel use for you. Do you ever worry about the pesticides used in your local groceries? While peeling fruit is a surefire fix, it also means that you miss out on all the amazing nutrients packed into the skin of the fruit. An alternate solution is to add a tiny little bit of baking soda to some water and soak your fruits in it. The disinfecting properties will take effect without the harmful side effects you would get from using soap or other artificial chemicals. This is also supported by a research study that found that soaking apples in a solution of baking soda and water for 12 to 15 minutes removed nearly all of the pesticides. Number 8. Eliminates the smell of sweat. Did you know that human sweat is actually odorless? That odor you smell coming from your pits is actually caused by tiny bacteria breaking down the sweat and leaving behind acidic waste products with an unpleasant smell. Not exactly a wonderful image, granted, but that is the truth of the matter. Patting a little baking soda over your sweat can make it less acidic, eliminating that odor. Just be careful not to clog your pores. Today, we focused mainly on the ways baking soda can directly impact your health or provide benefits in day-to-day life. Yet, it's worthy to note that there are many more potential uses of baking soda around the house, so be sure to keep an eye out for them. Mothers around the world will tell you about the articles upon articles in magazines that talk about the ways you can employ it in your daily life. But there are still plenty of people out there missing out on the full potential of this convenient item that's always right there when you need it. Whether you need a weak disinfectant, a cheap toothpaste, or some emergency ointment for an itch, baking soda's got your back. If you enjoyed today's discussion, then remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative facts from HealthxTips. Always remember, your health, your life, your priority. See you all in our next video. Cheers!